Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a paper mache ball. Using an air pump, you can add some more air. Using strips of copy paper and paper mache mix, I will add at least 6 layers to the ball. Newspaper is also an alternative. If you would like to see how I made this paper mache mix recipe, I will have a link to that video in this video's description. Due to the thickness of the copy paper, I like to dip 3 to 5 strips of paper at a time. After applying the first layer, I will go on and add the second layer in a different direction. This layer will be applied vertically. However, this is an option. I do this because I think it gives the paper mache a stronger bond or hold of the structure. After applying all 6 layers, you may see some indents from the bowl in which it sat in. You can carefully add some air to the ball or leave it as is, then allow it to dry completely overnight. Once it's dry, I insert the needle of the air pump to release the air, then carefully remove the ball. The items I used to make this are listed in this video's description. about this is that I can reuse the ball over and over again for more future papier-mâché projects. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.